So in this video, we are going to learn how to build a Telegram bot to generate AI images and save in Google Drive. So let's say you are trying to generate some images using AI platforms and you want to save those images in Google Drive as well. Now the manual process of switching between multiple applications is very tedious and repetitive. So why don't you automate it? You can set up a simple automation in which you just have to create a Telegram bot, and whenever you are going to send a message as a prompt to this Telegram bot, automatically the same message, the same prompt will be sent to OpenAI's DALL-E and a new image will be generated using DALL-E AI. And after generating the image, we are going to add the same image, upload the same image in our Google Drive folder as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Telegram account. And in our Telegram account, we are going to create a new bot over here. So that whenever we are going to send any message to that Telegram bot, the same message will be sent as a prompt to DALL-E, OpenAI's image generation platform. And using DALL-E, we are going to generate an AI image. And the generated image will be saved in our Google Drive folder. Now to do this, what we have to do, we have to connect all of these three platforms. We have to connect our Telegram bot with DALL-E and Google Drive as well. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. But before starting with Pabbly Connect, let's see how you can create a bot in your Telegram account. For that, just search for bot father in your Telegram account. Just select the bot father with this official tag and then just click on the start button. After clicking on start, to create a new bot, send a message as /newbot. After sending the message, bot father is asking us to give this bot a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI image generation over here 101. This is the bot name which I am giving, and just send it. After giving this bot a name, Telegram is asking us to give this bot a unique username, and the username should end with the word bot or underscore bot over here. So what I'm going to do, I'll use the same name and add underscore bot after that and send it. And as I give a unique username, here you can see using bot father, we have just now created a new bot in our Telegram account. I have given this name. You can basically give any name of your choice to this bot. And after generating the bot, here you can see this is the bot's link. We'll just click on it, and here you can see the bot chat will open in front of us. Just click on the start button and this Telegram bot is activated. It is started and we have basically created a new bot. And here after creating the bot father sent us this message where we have this API token of this bot. And using this API token, we can connect this bot with Pabbly Connect. And using Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the messages which we are sending to this bot. This bot is receiving. We are going to send those same messages to OpenAI's DALL-E as a prompt, as an image generation prompt. And we are going to generate some images using DALL-E and save those images in Google Drive. Now, as I told you, to do this, to achieve this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First one is sign in and second one is sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. But if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, we will reach to the all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now after reaching here, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name it as AI image generation bot. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. Now as you click on create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to send any message to this Telegram bot, automatically the same message will be received inside Pabbly Connect workflow as well. And this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same message to DALL-E and generate the image using DALL-E over here. After generating the image using the automation, we are going to upload that same image. We are going to save that same image in a specific folder in our Google Drive. So let's see how it is done. Starting from the trigger window in Choose App, search for Telegram bot over here. After selecting Telegram bot in trigger event from this dropdown, select the trigger event as set webhook/watch updates. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Telegram bot which we have created just now with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our bot which we have created. So after creating the bot father gave us a message. And in this message, you can see this API token. Just copy this API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API token, just click on this save button. After clicking on save, we will see our Telegram bot is now connected with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. After making the connection, just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see it has now changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some message from our Telegram bot. So what we are going to do, we are going to send an image prompt as a message to our Telegram bot. We have activated this bot. Let's say now we are going to send a message for the image prompt as kids playing football in the field surrounded by mountains covered with snow. This is the image prompt. For this particular prompt, I want to generate the image. So I'm going to send the image prompt as a message to our Telegram bot. Now, as we send a message to this Telegram bot, the same message will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow as well. And here you can see in the trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. In this response, here you can see we have the update ID, and in front of message text, you can see the exact same message text as well. Kids playing football in the field surrounded by mountains covered with snow. Then after that, here you can see the message ID. We will scroll down further, and here you can see message from ID as well, that from which user we have received the message. We have the name of the person who sent us the message, and we have the date and time of the message in the timestamp format. Also, you can see the same chat ID as well. And it is a private message, not a message on any Telegram group or Telegram channel. So in this way, you can see the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully created the Telegram bot and connected the Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect and received the message in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send this same message received by Telegram bot to DALL-E, to OpenAI, to generate the image for this prompt. So we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, in action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Generate Image. Now here in this video, just for an example, I am using OpenAI's DALL-E to generate the image. But if you want, you can basically use any other platform of your choice to generate the images and save them in Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or any other platform of your choice. Now after selecting the action event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. So here you can see it is asking us to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now to get the API key, just log into your OpenAI account and from the left sidebar, go to this API keys section. After coming here, click on this Create New Secret Key button and then give this key a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI Image Generation. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Now, if you have created any specific or dedicated project in your OpenAI account, from this dropdown, you can select that project. But right now, I don't have any project, so I'll just select the default project over here. And here in permission, we are going to select all and click on this Create Secret Key button. Now, as we click on Create, here you can see this API secret key is generated. Just copy this secret key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting it, just click on Save. After connecting our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, we will see the first thing it asks us is the model. Now here OpenAI offers two different models of DALL-E to generate the images. And in the drop-down, you can see both of the models, DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3. And we are going to use DALL-E 3, the latest model, to generate the image. After selecting the model, it is asking us for the prompt, that what is the prompt we want to give to generate the images. So we have received the prompt from our Telegram bot in the trigger step. So from trigger step responses, the message which our Telegram bot has received, we are going to send the same message as a prompt. Now to send this response of message from our trigger step to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. We will just click on this field of prompt, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Telegram in the trigger step. Out of all of these responses, we are going to select the response of message text and we are going to map it over here. After mapping the prompt, it is asking us number of images to be generated. Now using DALL-E 2, you can generate between 1 to 10 images. But if you're using DALL-E 3 as the model, in that case, you can only generate one image at a time. So I'm going to enter 1 over here. Then it is asking us for the size, that what will be the size of the image which we are generating. So here from this drop down, we can select any size option as per your choice. Let's say I'm selecting this size of 1792 pixel cross 1024 pixel. You can select any choice from this drop down as per your requirement. Then it is asking us for the quality. So in the drop down, we have two options, standard and HD. And I want the image in HD quality. So I'm selecting HD over here. Also, if you want, you can mention the style of the image which you want to generate. So here in style, you can see two options, vivid or natural. Right now, because this field is not mandatory, it's not required. So I'm going to keep this field as blank and I'm not going to specify any style for the image generated by DALL-E. Now, after mapping the prompt and selecting all the options, and then just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. In this response, you can see the timestamp that at what date and time this image was generated by DALL-E. Then here you can see DALL-E has given us a revised prompt for the image which it has generated. And at last, you can see the URL. This is the URL of the image generated by DALL-E. We will just copy this URL from here and paste it in a new tab. And here you can see this is the image which DALL-E has generated for the prompt which we have given. So we have given the prompt to our Telegram bot, that is kids playing football in the field surrounded by mountains covered with snow. And here you can see DALL-E has generated the image for the same prompt over here, as you can see. This is a pretty good image. Now after generating this image, we want to save this image in a folder in our Google Drive. For that, we will just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. Then after that, here in Choose App, search for Google Drive. Just select it. After selecting Google Drive, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Upload a File. So we'll just scroll down and we'll select the Upload the File action event over here. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Sign in with Google button. Then after that, in this pop-up window, select your Google Drive account in which you want to save the image. Just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the URL. Here in URL, we have to add the URL of the file of the image which we want to upload in Google Drive. So in the previous step of DALL-E, we have received the URL of the image generated by DALL-E over here in response. So what we have to do, we have to map this response of URL from OpenAI action step to this Google Drive action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field of URL and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps. Out of all of this, from OpenAI action step, we will select the response of URL and we are going to map it over here. After mapping the URL, it is asking us for the folder ID, that in our Google Drive account, in which particular folder we want to save the image. Now you must be thinking how you will get this folder ID. So to get it, just open your Google Drive account and open the folder in which you want to save this file. After opening the folder, here in the URL section, you can see after folder / this is your folder ID. Just copy the folder ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the folder ID, at last it is asking us for the file name, that what will be the name of the file which we are going to save in our Google Drive folder. And we have to enter the file name with the proper file extension. Now let's say I want the image prompt which I'm giving to Telegram over here, the same prompt to be the name of the file. So we will just click on this field and from the drop down, from Telegram responses which we have received in the trigger step, we are going to select the response of the message and map it over here. And because we have to basically give the extension, file extension as well, so we are going to add .png over here. So here in the file name .png, we are going to add it. In this way, in the PNG format, all of these images will be saved, will be uploaded in our Google Drive folder. And after this, we will just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now, as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here, and the image file which is generated by DALI will be uploaded in Google Drive. And yes, here you can see we have received the response, and this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the image which is generated by DALI is now uploaded on this folder in our Google Drive account. So let's check it. We will just go to our Google Drive folder and we will just refresh this folder once. And yes, here you can see the image is uploaded on our Google Drive folder, and this is the exact same image which was generated by DALI, by OpenAI. So this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And after setting up this automation, whenever a message will be sent to a Telegram bot, for the same message, for the same prompt, we are going to generate the image and save the image in our Google Drive folder. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. Let's say I want to give an image prompt. I'll be sending an image prompt to this Telegram bot once again. Okay, so this is the prompt which I have given. Kids going to school during rainy season in a school bus. Let's send this message. So just now we have sent an image prompt to our Telegram bot, and we will see as this message is sent using automation, within few seconds the AI image will be generated using DALI, and the generated image will be saved in our Google Drive folder. So what we have to do, we just have to wait for a few seconds. And after a few seconds, when we'll refresh this Google Drive folder, we will see the image will be uploaded in this folder in our Google Drive. And yes, here you can see just now the image is uploaded in Google Drive. We will open this image, and here you can see, and this is the image for the same prompt which we have sent to our Telegram bot. So here you can see that we have the image of kids going to school during rainy season in a school bus, as you can see over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new image prompt, a new message will be sent to our Telegram bot, automatically for the same message, for the same prompt, we are going to generate an image using DALI, and the generated image will be saved in our Google Drive folder as well, that too automatically. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same automation workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.